is a skill that can be used in everyday life. In fact, we use fractions and percents and decimals pretty much all the time, and we don't even really think about it. One of the most obvious times that we can use math is when we're trying to calculate the tip on our bill. Typically, a good tip in a restaurant is 20%. But what does that really mean? How much money is that? I need a way that I can calculate my tip that's quick and easy, and I can do it in my head. Fortunately, there are a couple of simple math skills that we can use to do just that.
Skills like rounding, multiplying, and moving the decimal point can help you quickly and easily figure a percentage of something without using pen, paper, or calculator. So let's take a look at an example. This is the decimal number 0.768. Now the purpose of this tutorial is to teach us how to deal with money. So we're really only interested in the first two digits of this number. Therefore, we're going to want to round this number to the hundredths place, which is this digit right here. The process of rounding is actually quite simple. Once you determine which decimal place you're rounding to, simply look at the digit directly to the right. If that digit is larger than 5, then you're going to round up. If it's less than 5, you'll round down. In our case, the 8 is greater than 5, which means we're going to need to round our 6, which is in the hundredths place, up to a 7, giving us a new total of 77 cents. But since figuring our tip requires a small bit of multiplication, we're going to want a number that makes that easy to do in our head. Typically, numbers that end in 0 are easy to multiply. Therefore, we're going to want to round again our number of 77 cents, this time using the tenths place. We begin the process by looking at the digit to the right. If that number is greater than 5, then we're going to round up. In this case, we're going to round up to 80 cents. Another way of thinking of this is 77 cents is closer to 80 than it is to 70 cents. Therefore, we're going to end with the result of 80 cents. So let's take a look at an example involving money, which uses some of the rounding skills that we've just talked about. In this example, our bill comes to a total of $24.76, and we want to find out what 10% of this number would be. Moving the decimal point one place to the left has the same effect of multiplying the number by 10% or 0.10. In our case, moving the decimal point gives us a new result of $2.47. In other words, $2.47 is 10% of our bill. Now all we have to do is multiply our result by 2 and we'll have a 20% tip. But $2.47 is going to be by nature a little bit hard to multiply in our head. So we probably need to spend a few seconds to change this number into something that is easier to multiply. Using our rounding skills, we can easily transform our 47 cents into a number that ends in 0. This will make it easier for us to multiply. Since 47 is closer to 50 than it is 40, we'll round up to $2.50. Multiplying our result by 2 in our head should be a relatively simple proposition. We can split the process into two halves, first by multiplying our dollar amount, then by multiplying the change which is left over. If we multiply our $2 by 2, we get a result of $4. Next, we multiply our change of 50 cents by 2, which gives us another $1. Now all we have to do is add our two results together, and we get a total of $5 for our tip. So let's check our results with the calculator. If we take the original price from our bill and multiply that by 20%, we get a result of $4.95, pretty close to $5. Using these simple yet effective math skills enabled us to quickly and easily figure out our tip for our bill.
So today we took a look at just a couple of ways that math can be used in your daily life. So the next time you're at a restaurant, you have a dinner, and you're ready to pay your bill, try using these math techniques to figure out your tip in your head. And you can feel good about knowing that you're leaving a good tip.